In this video today, we will see how to use screen time app restriction to limit the use of applications such as Facebook and TikTok. Now for that one, what we will do is we will go to settings. We will go to this option screen time. Select this option turn on screen time. Then you have to select this option turn on screen time. Select this option. This is my iPhone. Now here what we will do at first is we will go to this option use screen time passcode, and then you have to enter the passcode. Re-enter the password again. Now here you have to enter Apple ID. This Apple ID can be used to reset the screen time passcode if you forget it. For me, I won't forget, so what I will do is I will select this option cancel and then skip. So once you have set screen time passcode, then what we will do is we will go to this option app limits. Select this option add limit. Now you have to enter the screen time passcode. Now you will go to this window where you can see different category of applications such as social, games, entertainment, etc. Now if you have to limit the usage of Facebook, TikTok, then they fall under social. So let me select social and let me select TikTok and then Facebook. Next, now you have to set the time limit. The minimum time limit is 1, and then you can go to customize days, and you can also select for which days you want to apply the restriction. For me, I want to apply every day, so what I will do is I will select this option add. Now what we have done is we have applied screen time passcode for TikTok and Facebook, and we have limit the usage of this application for 1 minute every day. So let us wait for a few minutes, and right now if I see the icon of Facebook application is dim, and similarly if I go and let me look at TikTok, you can see the application icon for TikTok is also dim. Let me open it. Now you can see there is a message here, you have reached your limit on TikTok. That means I have used TikTok for 1 minute and I have used Facebook for 1 minute today. So what I can do is I can select either OK or I can ask for more time. Let me select this option ask for more time, and then what I can do is I can borrow 1 more minute. So let me select 1 more minute. Okay, now after 1 minute what I will do is I will try to open this TikTok application. Now after 1 minute you can see the icon of TikTok application is again dim. So let me open it. Now let me select this option ask for more time. This time I don't have the option to borrow 1 more minute, so I have to select this option enter screen time passcode, and if I know the screen time passcode then only I can use TikTok further, otherwise I won't be able to use it.